Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable TalkBack program to speak element IDs option, and how to disable them in Realme 14 Pro phone. First, where to look for it? So, settings. Then in settings we need to scroll to accessibility and convenience. Next, accessibility, and here at the top we need to tap the vision tab. Next we need to choose the TalkBack. Now in the top right corner we have this cog menu which we need to open, and then we need to go to the verbosity. When we scroll down all the way almost, we have the speak element IDs option. So we can enable it or we can disable it using this switch right here. It's a simple on-off switch. There are no other hidden options nor menus there. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.